I was speaking with Dr. P, and he told me that I had just finished all of my cavity fillings. So he was like, now what we're going to do is better your smile. And that was one of the main points that I actually talked to him about, is me wanting to better up my smile. He told me you have a couple of options. The first option is braces. The second option is Invisalign. And the third option would be just doing a filling everywhere. I personally wanted to do Invisalign just because I did have gaps in the bottom of my teeth as well. So when I did Invisalign, it basically closed up all the gaps. Some things they took into consideration was money-wise. He did give me a discount, which I thought was very special of him, because my insurance, they actually did not pay for the Invisalign. He took money into consideration. He took what was best for me, and he also took a time limit for everything. Usually with braces, it could take up to years for the smile to close down, and it's very known and everybody's able to see the braces. But with Invisalign, it's clear and you literally only wear it for a certain amount of hours. And then I was able to finish everything within 6 months instead of a couple of years. Me, I was one of the lucky patients where my teeth, they shifted very easily. So the first time I came in, they took a scan from my teeth so that way they get to send the images to the lab, so that way they get to make the retainers. Dr. B also put attachments on my teeth to where the lab was like, okay, this is where Invisalign said this is where the attachments need to be. So he put it in, zero anxiety, zero anything. He was very careful with everything that he did. Afterwards, he told me that he gave me three of the Invisalign retainers, which meant week 1, week 2, and week 3. So after week 3, I would schedule an appointment to come in and get my 4th, 5th, and 6th retainer. So it took me about 20 weeks for me to finish everything. So I feel less insecure. I love having conversations with people now because I feel like they're looking at me and talking to me rather than focusing on the gap that was in between my teeth. I love to smile. They also helped whiten my teeth, which was something that I really loved, because who wants yellow teeth at the end of the day, you know? So they helped me whiten my teeth. So it was a very nice journey from the beginning to the end.